how to buy a house as a beginner. For example, you find a house or a deal online, how would you approach it from start to end of buying the house? Well, first things first, you need to do market research. If you're new, you get familiarized with what is it that you're really walking yourself into. So whether you're doing it locally or you're doing it long distance, they're great tools that you can actually leverage. And some of my YouTube videos actually talk about that as well, where you leverage tools like Google Maps, you leverage Zillow, you look at the addresses, and then you just simply start looking in Google to see what's around the vicinity. And so that's one. That also depends on what is it that you're looking to do. Are you looking to wholesale? Are you looking to rent? Are you looking to flip any houses? So a lot of that will play some sort of like weight into your decision. And so if you want to rent, let's say for example, to families that have children and stuff like that, you will want to make sure that the rental or the house that you're looking to flip is located near a good school districts. If you're looking for mainly rentals for just adults who have no children, or maybe people who are looking to get into a whole having roommate kind of living style, then you want to make sure that that setting or that property itself is nearby places where you can find jobs, because jobs is the key. If people don't have jobs, you won't be able to afford the type of lifestyle that you are actually providing with your rental. So that's one, educate yourself in that end. And once you're ready, if you want to start putting yourself out there, you can either try calling some postings and just simply say, hey, I'm a new real estate investor and I'm actually looking at this property right here located in 123 Main Street, and I would like to learn a little bit about the logistics. Can you talk to me a little bit about the neighborhood? What's it like? What type of tenants you typically are looking in the area? Some people love to talk, so they will be happy to get on the phone with you and try to sell you the idea that this is the perfect investment, this is a great investment, and you just definitely take notes, take as many notes as you can and learn as much as you can. And another thing I would like to recommend you, Samba, is that you go to local RIAs. You can actually find them in meetup.com and just simply type local real estate clubs or local RIA, REIA, and then just show up. And if you're not confident at first, then just sit there and listen to what is it that people say, the information that you share. And then as you start getting comfortable, then start putting yourself out there, start introducing yourself. Always be honest. Don't make stuff up by saying that you're not sure or you're new. Just don't try to sound smart or intelligent. Just be honest. I don't know, but I would love to learn from you. You're my mentor. If that's okay with you, I will definitely like to either shadow you in exchange of my time. Always offer value for someone who it's given their time in exchange for a mentorship, because they are actually taking time away from their busy schedule to sort of like mentor you. So definitely take that into consideration, educate yourself in the subject, and then once you're ready, then you can start like looking into how to evaluate numbers and stuff like that. But that will be definitely a first step.